In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename a web page in GoHighLevel. We'll walk through the exact clicks so you can confidently update a page name without breaking anything else in your site. Before we start, make sure you're signed into your GoHighLevel account and you have access to the location where the website lives. Begin on the GoHighLevel dashboard. This is your home base where you can reach every tool you need. From here, look to the left sidebar and find the Site section. Go ahead and click it. This opens the website management area where your funnels and websites are organized. Next, select Websites. This view lists all the websites available in your current location. Scan the list and identify the website that contains the page you want to rename. When you see it, click the website to open its details. Inside the website, head to Settings. This is where global options for the site are managed, including the name that appears in your account and across various menus. Once you're in Settings, look for the field labeled Name. This is the spot that controls how the page or site title is displayed within GoHighLevel. It's straightforward, but it matters for staying organized, especially if you manage multiple pages or versions. Click into the name field and type the new name you want to use. Keep it clear, short, and descriptive so you and your team can instantly recognize its purpose. For example, include the page's role in audience like pricing US or contact partners if that helps your workflow. A quick tip here, changing this name updates how it appears inside your account and in site lists. It does not automatically change the page's URL or its SEO title. If you plan to update the slug or metadata later, do that carefully to avoid breaking links, but for now we're focusing on the visible name in GoHighLevel. When you're happy with the new name, save your changes. Click Save, then wait a moment for the confirmation to appear. If you don't see an immediate update in the list, refresh the page to make sure the new name is locked in. It's also a good idea to double-check your navigation or any internal references if your team relies on the name for organization. That's it. You've successfully renamed a web page in GoHighLevel. With this simple update, your workspace stays tidy and your team can find the right pages faster. If you follow these steps each time you create new pages or versions, you'll keep everything labeled clearly and avoid confusion down the line.